Good morning. This is Jeff with Prucknick Adventures. Just doing a little garden update. I didn't think we were going to have a garden this year, and I think I salvaged it. So, garlic. The garlic has been, overwintered. Gonna have a nice garlic harvest. Here I got 2 broccolis, and then there's a jalapeno there in the middle. Over here I got some like chive onion that comes up every year by itself, and then over there's a shishito sweet pepper. That's our cherry tomato plant. It's the Husky Cherry Reds. And over here we got our snap beans. Got 6 of those. Those should do well for us. They're doing good. Everything's standing upright. I need to put a little water on them this morning here real quick. But over here I have bell peppers. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A puny one, but that was a little one when I got it right there. But all doing good. And then here are my better boys. I've got 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So yeah, I think I started with like bare area there this year and started late. I think I had starts for my tomatoes. I like San Marzanos, and they ended up dying on me. So I don't know. And one of my friends from church, check this out. This is the lovage, and this thing just got huge. Yeah, and it bolted. I probably should snip that. And it's like a celery kind of deal. I put those soups and stews really good in there. So I got to do some weeding in my strawberry patch here. But here we've got the everbearings. And here I've got a way overgrown, well, it's not way overgrown, but it's starting to get overgrown. That's my raspberry bush. And here's a little friend of ours, I guess. Oh, he just went up underneath. I don't know if we got him or not on the camera. Here's a June bearing right here. My little quick vegetable garden tour. The bare spots I got, I have to plant them hopefully today. I don't know, we're gonna get a ton of rain. I might have to wait for that. But right there, then I'm gonna put a trellis over to right there. And that is going to be the pickling cucumbers. So we shall see what happens there. So anyway, it's a beautiful day, Columbus, Michigan. Living the life in the park. Probably not much longer though. We are looking for property. So anywho, y'all be good. Stay out of trouble.